see LawCall.
Hello and welcome into LawCall tonight. Each week we have a different attorney on to take your legal questions and provide free legal advice live on the air. Tonight we're going to be discussing workers' compensation and getting hurt on the job, how you deal with that situation. Our phone lines are open, so if you have a question, go ahead. Start giving us your calls. 741-7474 is our number. Before we head to the phones, we're going to show you what's coming up the next few weeks ahead. Now, July 31st, we're going to be discussing car and truck accidents. August the 7th, we're going to say meet the judge. We've got a judge coming in that's going to answer your legal questions. And then August the 14th, we're going to be discussing asbestos exposure. But again, back to tonight's topic. It affects a lot of folks. And if you're watching and you need some advice, pick up the phone and call us. We've got our host attorney tonight. He's Kirby Farris. He's with the law firm of Farris, Riley & Pitt here in Birmingham. And good to have you back in the seat.
Great to see you, Tiffany.
Yeah, this is a good topic, isn't it?
It is. It's a great topic. It affects so many people in Alabama. And, you know, you've heard the old saying, Tiffany, they wrote the book on it. Well, we've got a lady here who helped write the book on workers' compensation, my friend Wendy Thornton, to help us.
Yeah, good to have you, Wendy.
Thanks, it's good to be here.
Now, tell our viewers, because you were telling me before the show started that you sort of fell into this field and you've really enjoyed it and you've learned from the best.
That's right. I would probably say about 15 years ago, I got hired by a lawyer named Bob Lee. He has since passed, but he was the guru of workers' comp. In the state of Alabama, everybody called on him, and that was who taught me workers' comp, and I've just kept it going, hopefully, and will for several years to come.
I'm sure he's proud of you. We've got Tracy on the line tonight, and Tracy's calling from Centerpoint. Hello.
Yes.
Hey there.
Hey, Tracy.
Yes. I have a question. I hurt my back on my job about a year ago, and I had a lot of therapy done, and then they finally approved me to have an MRI, which showed I had 2 bolts of disc, and they give me a block, and they won't approve me for another block. So right now, I don't know what to do.
Okay. Well, hearing his story, Wendy, what are your thoughts on what advice would you give him at this point?
Well, if you have a contact with workers' comp, you need to be in touch with them. If your doctor has ordered you to have an MRI or further treatment and he is authorized by workers' comp, then they have to approve the treatment. So I would suggest that you contact your, you usually have an adjuster or a case manager who's helping you with your claim. Contact them.